Just clicking.
La 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 la.
They ain't no. I was supposed to have a paper back. I have a paper back. There's a saw. When I talk about the saw, you do your part. You can run the paper back like this. Ain't nobody gonna hear you. You can make noises with your mouth. Yeah, we can hear it.
Like that?
Yeah, get a pencil. You're just looking to get stuff without.
La la la. La la la, la la la, la 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 la.
Pencil, saw, hammer, sandpaper. Got your part. It's fine. Do whatever you want to do. When I point to you, do your thing, okay? When I point to you, do your thing. Add to the
Hey, let me be the same person.
Okay, I'll help you. This is you. This is you. There you go. That's actually supposed to be your feet. Supposed to be your chest. I just forgot it. Now I remember it. Okay. Stop. Everybody remember who they are?
No.
Your pencil, hammer.
I'm a sock.
Your saw, your sandpaper.
So when you say
When I say your part, you do your part.
I'm the carpenter.
do we continue?
No, you don't.
Okay.
I'll give you one of these. Y'all ready?
He cut you off.
When the carpenter comes in, when you hear your piece, when you hear your part, you can keep it, okay? Alright, y'all ready? It's called carpenter's tool. Some tools live together in the coffee shop. They started having problems, and since they all hang out together, this had to stop. Hammer spoke first. It was time for some constructive criticism. Serving as the chairman, there was no time for cynicism. Brother Drill, he began, you and your family are so noisy, and you have no care. You seem to spin in circles, but go nowhere. Drill quickly spoke up. It's true that I go around in circles, and that when my work makes noise, but at least I'm sharp, unlike these boys. Pencil is small and dull, and leaves a bad impression. He needs to sharpen up before I teach him a lesson. Pencil felt offensive, and chimed in. Yes, he began. I'm a little blunt. I work hard at my job. But sandpaper is rough and rubs everything the wrong way. I find that odd. Oh, sandpaper good. That made sandpaper really angry. Hey, what about Ruler there? He measured everyone by his standard as though he's the only one right around here. Fine, I'll go if I have to. But so much screwdriver. Annoying, tightening, then loosening. Can't be like this dude. Screwdriver spat out, fine. Fine with me, what the heck? But Plain must go too. His work is superficial and it has no depth. And to this, Plain quickly replies, Saws cuts hurts. She divides instead of unifies. And Saw finally rose up to answer the accusation. No, there's no Saw, guys. Don't worry about it. Had to make sure this was limited. Saw finally rose up to answer the accusation when suddenly a noise at the door stopped the conversation.
La 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 la.
In walked the carpenter, ready for the day's work to begin. He picked up the pencil and ruler and carefully marked the wood. He saw along the marks and planed the edges to make it smooth. He hammered joints into place and drilled holes for screws to make it steady. Then he sandpapered the wood to make a smooth finish. He was sweaty and hot. The product was cool. He was sweaty and hot. The product was cool. He used his pencil, his hammer, his tools. He realized he could not have done this without all of his tools. He blows the dust off the workman's cubicle. He explains, this is beautiful. The sound, this feeling, what we have created, this is beautiful. We are tools who need work and can work. And when we work together, we can make something that's beautiful.